Hi Nick here at Sherwood Dodge. I'm going to show you a fresh trade-in 2019 Ram 1500 Sport in Patriot blue. Beauty of the vehicle. You got your blacked out emblems here. This does have the 360 camera. We also got front sensors. It's got your massive 20-inch rims. We even have power running boards here. Let's go check out the inside. All right, in this 2019 Ram 1500 Sport, we got your exclusive 12-inch screen. Again, this does have the 360 camera, so you can see top view all the way around. Some extra options I like is just you can check out each camera individually. Pretty sweet. Check out your hitch there as well. Tons of options. You got your heated seats, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, backup camera, of course. This does have the adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring. You got your massive panoramic sunroof. This is full leather as well. Huge space in the back with the crew cab. Remote start as well. Clean car proof, one owner as well. For more information and pricing, comment below. Give me a call at 780-907-9334. Thanks. Have a great day.